Kayak Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join to the affiliate program of Kayak. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Kayak Affiliate Program, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Kayak, it is a prominent meta search engine that specializes in travel services, enabling users to compare prices for airlines, flights, hotels, accommodations, rental cars, and vacation packages, in which the platform distinguishes itself by searching hundreds of travel sites, simultaneously providing users with a comprehensive view of available options. And Kayak's commitment to innovation and user experience has earned its numerous accolades, including multiple Webby awards and recognition from various travel publications. And now, to start joining to the affiliate program, just scroll down until you find this footer section and just click this affiliate button. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show in here the overview about the affiliate program of Kayak.com. So it will show in here that the Kayak affiliate program offers a lucrative opportunity for partners to earn commissions by referring users to their travel search platform. So as you can see from here, you can start integrating and start earning, in which they offer a 50% commission on clicks, bookings, and ad revenue across each vertical, including flights, hotels, cars, and holiday packages. And from here, you could also monitor your performance and earnings in real time on the portal. So basically, affiliates can earn up to 50% or up to $0.95 per click with commission paid monthly via wire transfer. And if you have other concern or question, just go to this FAQ and it will show you a variety of questions with a corresponding answer. Some of those questions is what is Kayak Affiliate Network and how do I earn commission? And now to start joining to the affiliate program of Kayak.com, just click this apply button, or alternatively just click the link in the description, then you will be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information, including your company details, such as your company name and country of registration. And after that, just click the next button below to proceed, in which from here all you need to do is to simply fill out your first name, last name, and also the title in here. But I'm just going to enter here the random title. Or let's say I'm going to enter here a company name, which is also Google. Then below, just enter your email address. However, if you're using your personal accounts such as Gmail, iCloud, Yahoo, it will not be accepted as company email address. So make sure that you change your email in here. And after that, just answer the question, is the government agency, government official, or relative of government official involved in the ownership, control, or management of the company? But I'm going to select here no and just proceed by clicking the next button to proceed. Now moving on, under this website information, all you need to do is to enter or select some of your answer, including to this question, what is your website URL and what are the main sources of traffic for this site. Let's say I'm going to enter here google.com. Then below we can simply select either content pages, SEO, search engine, marketing, and many more. And also answer the question, what is the average monthly visitors on your website, and also how much revenue per month are you expecting to make as an affiliate. So from here, I'm just going to select this as 0 to 100 US dollar, but you could also change this into 101 to 500 depending on your preferences. Moving on, below here, just enter or select your description of your business or website. Let's say I'm going to choose travel blog and click the next button below to proceed. And now from here, it will show you the review information, in which all of the information that you just enter will be automatically summarized in here. So from here, you can simply check all of the information if it is correct and double check it, and after that, just proceed by clicking the submit button below to proceed. By simply clicking here, you'll be automatically submitting your application to the affiliate program of Kayak. So it will show in here that your application is currently under review, and all you need to do is wait for them to email you that indicate that you are eligible to be part of the affiliate program of Kayak. And now if you want to know more about the affiliate program of Kayak, just go back on this page and just click this help or FAQ. Upon clicking this one, we'll be able to be directed on this page, in which below it will show us some other option, including this about Kayak Affiliate Network. By simply clicking here, it will show us an article that we could also click on it in order to understand what is this affiliate program offer. So as you can see in here, it will show us the overview about Kayak Affiliate Network, while the other articles, it will show us who is it for and which travel verticals do they offer. And by clicking this, how do I make money, you will automatically be directed on this page. Then from here, it will show you that there are 3 steps. The first one is to integrate or you can begin integrating the products with the platform. And once you integrate the product that they offer on your platform, you will earn a share of all revenue generated as a result of users that have been referred to one of their brands and partners through the website. So basically, you will use your website to start promoting their product, and you will get a commission depending on your sale or revenue. And from here, you could also start monitoring your performance and earnings in their affiliate portal, and you will be able to access the portal once you get accepted, or once they email you about your application that you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program. And from here, it will show you some other brands or products that you could also promote. And if we click some of these categories on the left side panel, we have here Get Started, Dashboard and Performance, Product and Integration, Commission and Payment, and many more. It will show us how we can start earning money using this affiliate network. So basically, joining to the Kayak affiliate program allows partners to tap into a vast market of travelers and generate passive income while providing valuable travel resources to their audience. And the program also offers a range of integration methods including search boxes, text links, banners, and white label solutions. And from here, if you're wondering how does commission work, it will show you that you will earn a share of revenue generated as a result of users that have been referred to one of their brands and partners through the website. It says here that in other words, and depending on the relationship with our supply partner, you will earn commission on clicks, bookings, and ad revenue across each vertical including flights, hotels, cars, on holiday packages. And from here, you'll be able to pay monthly via PayPal and even bank transfers, depending on your preferences. And aside from that, to succeed as a Kayak affiliate, it is also important to create engaging content that showcases the products valuable and to share personal experiences and provides value to the audience. And by understanding those kind of readers' interests and pain points, you as an affiliate can craft the content that resonates and drive conversions. And aside from that, in promoting the Kayak affiliate product, you could also use some of the tracker links. And in promoting the tracker links, you could also use some other social media platform to post on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media accounts. Or alternatively, you could also use some other platform in creating a graphic design to promote this platform or affiliate program. For example, is this canva.com, in which from here, if you go to the search bar, it will show you a variety of templates that is offered for free. For instance, we're trying to create an infographic about the Kayak affiliate program benefits. By searching for the infographic templates, it will show us in here a variety of templates that we can choose from, and some of them are offered for free, but some of them are also paid. And if you're wondering what to put in all of this kind of infographic, you could also use some other article, including this 5 benefits to booking your flights and hotels in advance, which is also about Kayak. So basically, you can now start creating your quality content on this platform and any other platform that can help you to optimize your link placement strategically by placing your affiliate links within the content. So overall, that is just basically how you can join to the affiliate program of Kayak. Thank you.